Alright, welcome to MLAC Online Tutorial. Good day. And today I will show you how to write a half reaction equation for redox reaction. Now in my previous video I did an introduction to redox reaction, and in that video we talked about what redox reaction is, what's the meaning of reduction in terms of electron transfer, what oxidation is in terms of electron transfer. But in summary, redox reaction in terms of electron transfer is a gain of electron, and oxidation in terms of electron transfer is a loss of electron. All right, so we'll be using this equation to write a half reaction equation. Okay, so now, but always remember that oxidation and reduction always take place simultaneously in every reaction. So which means as one element is being reduced or oxidized, now the other element is being oxidized or reduced simultaneously. So as such, now let's use this equation now for an half reaction. Now here is it. Sodium here in its ordinary state is electrically neutral with a zero charge. Now, but give out electron to chlorine here to become positively charged. And chlorine in its ordinary state gain an electron from sodium to become negatively charged here. Now, take note, this plus means plus 1, and this means minus 1. Okay? Now, sodium here, 0, now becomes sodium positive plus electron. Now, chlorine here, 0 plus electron, accepting electron to give you chlorine negative. Now, sodium here gave out loses an electron to become positively charged ion, and chlorine here gains an electron to become a negatively charged ion. Now let us now combine these two together. Now in this state here, now we have that sodium, hope you can see, okay, sodium now plus chlorine plus this electron here gives you sodium plus, now plus chlorine negative plus this electron. Now you can see from the left hand side and the right hand side that we have the same number of electrons, so we can just cancel out. And always ensure that the number of electrons on the left hand side must balance the electron at the right hand side. And if the two are not the same, then definitely that equation is not correct. Now as such, since we've cancelled out, so here we now have so we now revert back to this equation here. So this is a simple way of writing a half reaction equation in redox reaction. Okay, let's take one more example for more simplification. Okay, here is another chemical equation. Carbon here reacting with zinc oxide now to give carbon dioxide and zinc. Now looking at this chemical equation or reaction rather, now you will see here that carbon here is in its ordinary state, which means this guy is 0 here. Now and looking at this, ordinarily carbon here is minus 2. Oxygen here is minus 2. And for every chemical compound, the total oxidation state must be equal to 0. So what then will balance minus 2 to give you 0. So here this will be plus 2. Now in this case here we have minus 2. Here we have for you to balance this to give you 0, here will give you plus 2. So here is what? 0. Now looking at this now, you can see the element that is being oxidized and the element that is being reduced. Now you can see that copper from here, from 0 to plus 2, and oxygen minus 2, so oxygen actually remain the same, and zinc from plus 2 to 0. So here, pardon my crossing of lines. Okay, all right, let me clean it for a better understanding. Okay, I believe this is more better now. And we remember from our previous video we said that oxidation is a loss of electrons. So you can see that copper here lost 2 electrons. So here oxidation occurred, and reduction is a gain of electron. So zinc here gained plus 2 to become what? 0. So reduction here. Now you can see, now the half equation we'll be writing here is between copper and zinc. Now oxygen here undergo nothing. So you can see it's minus 2 here. This one also is minus 2. All right. So let us write out the half reaction equation for copper and zinc. Okay, so here copper 0 plus 2 give out 2 electron. Now zinc in its sense gains an electron, sorry, supposed to be 2. Now to give you zinc. So if I have to balance this now, this is C now plus to give you copper 2 plus zinc now plus 2 electron. So as such, you can now see from the left hand side and right hand side we have 2 electron. This cancel this, so we are now left with plus 2 to give you plus 2 plus zinc. So this is the end of the video, and I believe with this you can go ahead to write half reaction equation for every chemical reaction in chemistry. Like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you, and God bless you.